Hello there, family. How are you doing? I'm looking a hot mess today, but that's okay. We gonna make it work. We gonna transform. We're gonna have a glow up in a video. So by the title, you know we're gonna do it a little bit differently today. I'm gonna try to slay a synthetic wig. I'm either gonna struggle or it's gonna be easy. I want it to be easy. So if you want to know what we are gonna do with this cheap synthetic wig, keep watching. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. That would make me very happy. I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate the support. And if you subscribe, you become part of our family, which is Suriname. Oh, I can't talk today. Which is Surinamese for family, and that's what we call our squad on here, you know. So to be part of the squad, subscribe, join the notification gang by ringing the bell, and follow me on Instagram. That's all I'm saying for today. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna try a wig, a synthetic wig, because your girl ain't got no money to be spending on these real hair wigs. I'm not gonna do it. First of all, this video is not a tutorial. This video is just for fun. This video is for everybody out there who's just as hopeless with wigs as I am. This is for us. This is for us. I'm gonna try to do this in as little steps as possible. So let me just show you the wig first, what it looks like, and then we're gonna get into application. This is the first time that I'm doing this. The wig that I got is from Sensational. It is an Empress lace wig. I don't know what that means, but it has a lace front, it has parting space, and the name is Tiara, and I got it in 1B. This is the wig. Okay. This is it straight out of the packaging. Hey, okay. It looks good. I ain't gonna lie. I hope this fits my head. Oh my goodness, I hope it fits my head. Especially since I'm not about to braid my hair. This looks like it's for small heads. We're just gonna try. So this is the wig. It looks very shiny. We'll see what we'll do about that. But oh, it has little baby hairs. Oh, that's good. The parting is, I don't know anything about wigs, but from what I think, I might need to pluck this, but I'm probably not. I'm gonna wait until my friend Fabi has time so she can pluck it for me, but we'll see. Pray for me, pray for me, pray for me that this wig fits my head. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make sure that I can put my hair in a middle part. First of all, try to get it as flat as possible because I have it in a bun. I'm gonna pin the braids to my hair and try to get my hair as flat as possible. So I tried to make my hair a little bit compact. It's not the neatest way possible, but hey, I didn't have to cornrow my hair, and that's good because I can't cornrow. I need to learn. I'm just gonna try to plop the wig on my head and just kind of see what we're working with, if it even fits. So what I did, there are two, can you see it, kind of like bra straps here. I think they were clipped here. I took those off because I'm hoping that'll make it more flexible. I'm hoping. Let us see, let us see. So you're gonna have to fit, bro. You're gonna have to fit. No, do not rip. I'm gonna be so pissed if you rip. It is small. Dang me. Okay, let's try. Hello. What the heck? Would I even like this? Oh my goodness. Would I even like having... Okay, so if I ever get this on my head, I definitely need to pluck that part. It's really tight on my head. Is it me or do I look crazy? I'm not sure if I look crazy or if I look nice. I'm not sure. I'm not used to this. Okay, so I took it off my head. I still don't know if it's gonna fit. So I put it on a wig head. I'm gonna pluck this part a little bit. Oh, it's not that hard. You just take your tweezer. Gonna take a hair. And I'm just gonna pull it out actually. Oh, it's not that hard. It's not that hard. Okay, so I did a little bit. Does it look a little bit more realistic or does it look the same? I think it looks a bit better. It's workable now. Am I fooling myself? I could be. I'm gonna cut the lace. Can you tell I'm nervous? You probably can't, right? I conceal it so well while I stroke my wig. I'm just gonna cut along the hairline and try not to cut any of the hair. I'll be right back. Okay, I cut it. We're gonna try this again. Okay then. I guess it's on my head. I'm gonna cut these baby hairs and I'm gonna make those annoying little baby hairs that everybody's doing. I don't think they're annoying, but some people think they're annoying, right? So I don't know. Listen, we're gonna try these baby hairs, okay? They got to be glued. Just gonna tie my hair down and hope for a miracle. So if we're talking about a lazy application, just put the wig on your head and hope for the best. That's what I'm doing today. I think it's two things. I'm not used to seeing myself with straight hair, and then it is very bulky. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. This is not the hair. This is the bulk underneath the hair. So I'm definitely gonna need to braid my hair. Let's just hope for the best. Okay, this is doing something. This is actually doing something. Are we gonna finesse a wig? I think we are. I think we're just gonna finesse a wig. Okay. We are finessing a wig, people. There are some things that I've seen to kind of make this look more realistic. Some hacks that I'm gonna try, that I'm gonna test for you. Do they work, right? So first thing is the baby hairs. My hair looks a hot mess under this wig. You can see it, right? If I do this, and you can just see my baby hairs, I feel like it looks fairly good. You tell me. Second hack is concealer part. I think it looks pretty darn good. In real life, it still looks kind of weird. I'm taking setting powder, which has kind of my color, and I'm gonna try to go over that. I don't know why I think that that'll make it better in real life. I didn't do that. Anyway, so another thing that I saw, this hair is very, very shiny. I don't want that, so I'm taking the setting powder again. That's another hack that I've seen, and I'm taking a little bit. I'm just gonna rub that through the hair to take away the shine. Okay, so the hack when it comes to baby powder works, because the hair looks a lot more believable now. But what are you guys thinking about me with a wig? Because I did like it at first, but now I'm just like, I don't know if this is me. So you guys let me know. What do you guys think? Like, if I could put, because I'm so used to putting my hair behind my ear. Whoa, wait a second. I like it now. Okay, I changed my mind. I take it back. I like it now. Oh my I'm so used to seeing my ears. I already know how I want to wear this wig. Okay. We're good. Never mind. I like it. I like it. It was just a swoop. The swoop did everything. Okay, so I'm back. I did a little bit of a light natural beat on my face. Okay. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Okay. So if I put my hair like this, then I like it. I like it. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror or the viewfinder. I'm so sorry. That's so impersonal. I'm so sorry. But I keep looking at myself because I'm just like, girl. The moral of this entire video is get you a wig that you can slay without doing a lot of work. Get a synthetic wig because synthetic wigs can look good as well, especially if you're natural. You can wear your natural hair and you don't want to spend too much. Get a synthetic wig. I'll place this wig down below. If you want to buy this wig, I think it was $20. Yeah, this wig I bought it for $20. I would definitely say try this wig. It's not hard to work with. I am gonna ask my friend to pluck it a little bit more for me and to braid my hair. But I think it looks good. What do y'all think? Let me know. I don't even know if this video made sense. If you enjoyed like me experimenting and, you know, struggling, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I want to know from you if you're natural. Do you mess with wigs? Do you like the variety of it? Or are you like, no, not me. I'm not doing it. It's a no for me. What do you think of this wig and me trying to finesse it in a lazy way? And of course, if you have tips for applying a wig and hacks that work for people who have no experience, please let me know. I would like that as well. So if you're new to my channel, please do this is not subscribing. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to become part of the family. Follow me on Instagram because you will see you will see pictures with this wig. You definitely will. I am so excited. And let me know if you know of some more, you know, cheap synthetic wigs that you can rock on the fly, because I'm feeling this. I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day, you wonderful human being. That was the old outro. People, in the new outro, we place videos here. So I'm gonna act like I didn't say goodbye. You can just watch this video. Okay, bye.